This is the world's first Proto-AGI. Just randomly connecting inputs and outputs to large Hebbian spiking neural network gives AGI. There is no need for any feedback, objective or reward or error functions. This prototype shows that just plugging inputs and outputs to a small Hebbian spiking neural network without any objective function gives a novelty-seeking behavior. The system takes action when seeing the same thing repeatedly, lacking novelty. And the system relaxes, or in other words, suspends output action momentarily when new inputs are perceived. If the new percept is very similar to the previous one, it takes action quickly, and when the new percept is different, it suspends output action for more time steps. The presence of this novelty-seeking instinct by default is very significant, as novelty maximizing is synonymous with the instinct to create, which is the core instinct for humans and any other form of life and intelligence. The difference between a place without intelligence and one with intelligence is the presence of more higher-order novel things, which include sights, sounds, patterns, activity, physical and conceptual things which can help create physical impact. So the primary objective of intelligence is to create, while self-preservation and developing other abilities are derived objectives. So there is really no need for us to give any objective function for an AGI and just let Hebbian association bring about all sorts of sophisticated combination of actions, which by default tries to maximize creation/novelty/impact. The blog addresses things in a lot more detail and answers a lot of questions on how highly intelligent behaviors can arise, and why it won't take a million years with this approach but just a couple. Please share and discuss this approach and thus make a contribution towards the right approach in creating AGI.